asked. Magistrate Helen Murrell also revoked a non-publication order Magistrate Glenn Theekson had imposed in relation to the offender's name. This is another person who suppresses the names of sex offenders. This is the person who heard the court and wouldn't listen to a word that what Craig said, reference challenging the jurisdiction. He would not listen to the fact that he put a 78B notice on the court. He would not listen to him in any regard to his bail, and basically told Craig to get legal advice. He's getting incorrect advice. He was going to put in a not guilty plea for Craig because he wouldn't make a plea, and then in the end, Craig has adjourned to go another 3 weeks to get some more legal advice. Bail conditions are set, and they basically didn't listen to him and basically bullied him. But that's Theekson there. It's funny how we open the paper and there he is on the bloody second page as the one who put suppression orders on child sex offenders, and it was overturned by other magistrate Mirren.
Can you hold that up for the camera?
Oh,
Do you
absolutely.
mind the
Yes, it's
article?
right here. So it was at the Canberra Times. The date is the 26th of May. So today's paper, and there's the article there.
Ah.
It mentions here that Theekson is the one who put the suppression order for the pedophile or the sex offender's name. It was overturned by Magistrate Helen Mirren. It's funny how we just do a little bit of study all the time they gave us. But
Wow.
yeah. So
Weird coincidence.
yeah, mate. So this is the person that basically won't listen to a word he says, and basically tells him we've got incorrect legal advice and we need to try again. He's out. We've got an adjournment for 3 weeks. We'll go back now and look at those legal. We'll get. We've got very good advice. We've got people setting up behind him. I'm not a legal representative. I've just been there just to help as moral support.
Good on
So
you.
we did the best he could. He tried to follow the same play I did by challenging the jurisdiction. It doesn't matter. The magistrate that was in my court never listened anyway. He even agreed that I had no bail, and he still went ahead and put bail in anyway. So it just seems to be that the court just don't want to play with us outside their rules. He was very brave. He stood up and said as he was supposed to challenge the jurisdiction. He never approached the bar.
didn't recognise
Craig
him.
never approached the bar.
What a handsome guy. Look at him.
Even though they tried to coax him into the realm, he would not budge.
Yeah, they don't recognise the common law
Pretty much.
aspects.
So we adjourn. Hopefully, we'll get some advice through. Well, we've got a nice little network now, and we'll take this next step. June the 6th, was it? June 13th? It doesn't matter. June 16th.
June 16th, there we are. And I can do it by phone or video. I requested that because I told them I don't live in Canberra, so I would tell them I wish to be able to travel. The idea I'd like to put out to the public, I suppose, is that you don't have to step up to the bar. Don't be scared not to. Don't be scared to have it written down on a piece of paper and just read from a piece of paper as I did. Deep breaths to calm your nerves and just read from a piece of paper. They'll ask you to step up. They tried to say they can't hear me for the video purposes, and I just said I'll talk louder. They don't like it, but they can't stand there and abuse you. They have to go along with it. Basically, they ask you to get more advice and all the rest of it.
Well done, very brave.
The scenario, just everyone feel free to have a crack.
That's good. Well done, Craig. I can't clap because I've got no. Okay. So what are you going to do the rest of the day? Relax and sleep.
I might chill out for the rest of the day, I think, Find out whether
been a big
everybody
day.
else is doing it. And I also want to say thank you for the support from everybody. I've had so much support here today at the court, or even the people that are at home with me in spirit. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
The guys put on a barbecue here today. It was amazing. I know it's for everybody else, but for them to see that we are supporting each other, I think that might be why they made everybody wait so long too, to put up you guys. So thank you.
We've got people sending us kids go too. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like me. I see you doing, we'll find out what happens.
So what's the outcome today for everyone?
The outcome of today is they're going to it's been put forward for a mention, which I can then also do by phone or video. So that means I don't have to actually be here for that appearance.
Which means you don't stand behind the bar, right?
It's not an appearance. Yeah. And also that means if you do it by video, you not have to step up to the bar. They don't ask you to. Not that I did anyway. yeah, it's all pretty straightforward, really. You just put it on paper and read it out like we did at school.
Yeah,
They
that's
put
it.
us up in front of the classroom. That's all there is to it, really. It's just a matter of words. All it is words. Just read your paper.
And within this case, it's a blatant overreach of police.
Oh, definitely. I did. The first thing I did is I requested to have the charges dropped, which the prosecution then had to deny. I said they were bogus charges. I also quoted, but our right to peacefully protest under Section 83(4). Well, I was accused of supposedly threatening the police with violence, and I told them that completely contradicts my right to peacefully protest, which I did not wish to hinder at any time. So it was completely illegitimate, all the accusations. The charge is nothing but an accusation, and it's up to us to prove we are guilty. I mean, to prove we are innocent, until proven innocent. Proven guilty. I got my words lost because they usually try to say we're guilty until we prove ourselves innocent. And that's why I'm here, essentially.
So what are the charges as they stand today?
The initial one is affray, 2 or more, and we all question what that is. Affray means that if 2 groups of people were having a argument and it upset the general public around them, well then that's called affray. So the police came through to the front of our protest, or to the other side of it, opposite of where they were, for a supposed argument or a fight, as they called it, where they didn't even know who it was. The police officer's statement says that they did not know who it was. Yet now they're accusing myself of affray, which is accusing me of being that person in that argument, where I didn't even know there was an argument that happened.